Hello guys, welcome to my channel Robot Framework Tips, Tricks and More. Today I am happy to start my adventure on creating a complete robot framework tutorial from scratch. This tutorial will cover automation on web, mobile and more using robot framework, and by the end of it you will be able to start and maintain your own automation projects. There will be a lot of videos showing you all the necessary steps you need to take in order to automate the right way and how to apply tips and tricks to make your life easier along the way. I will go from the basics and I will explain about robot framework, what robot framework is and how it works, and then we will get down to installing, configuring, creating automation test cases and much more. If you are just beginning your career as an automation engineer and you don't have a lot of coding experience, you will have come to the right place to learn automation. Robot Framework uses a friendly syntax for creating automated tests, so you don't need to have any prior experience with code of any kind. Basic understanding of OOP is enough to make you rapidly understand how everything is put together and how you can make it into the automation domain. There will be no cuts and skips in this course, so you will be able to follow along and learn Robot Framework from scratch. We will discover together how to automate web, Android, iOS, and how to combine libraries in order to create powerful keywords and stable automation projects. Among other tools, we will use Selenium for web and 𝗵𝗵𝗆 for mobile. I will share with you the tricks I picked up along the way, so you learn automation the right way. If all this sounds good to you, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any new videos, and let's get started with discovering the magic of Robot Framework together.